Hi there, I'm Mike Thomas and I'm an IT trainer with 30 years experience. And although my expertise covers a range of Microsoft applications, I primarily focus on Excel. I'd like to spend a couple of minutes telling you about my webinar, Pivot Tables Beyond the Basics. If you're already familiar with the basics of pivot tables and are ready to take your knowledge to the next level, this is the webinar for you. Here's just some of the things I cover. You'll learn how to create a pivot table that shows month-on-month differences. You'll learn how to create a pivot table like this, showing cumulative data, very useful for year-to-date summaries. You'll learn the difference between a standard count and a unique or distinct count, and more importantly, how to do it. You'll also learn how to use formulas in a pivot table to create additional calculated columns, how to combine row items together, how to use slicers, the cool way to provide interactive filtering in your pivot tables, and how to create a pivot table from multiple tables. So, thanks for watching, and I hope you can join me at the webinar.